Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Ultra Legend. Today we are here in Bluewater in Kent, Dartford. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so we're gonna go to the back side. Look at that, nice little area, there's cliffs everywhere and we're surrounded by those cliffs. It was literally cloudy as soon as I came here, so I waited for a bit and there's no more clouds now, so it's all passed. So we just got the green light to take off the drone. So now what we can do a 360 photo and just get a 360 photo of Bluewater. Alright, 360 photo is now complete. What we're going to do now, we're just going to zip around Bluewater. So it's a nice little area, look at that. We've got big car parks, big open space. We even got a fun fair over here, some kind of fun fair going on there, look at that. It's a really nice shot of it. Just zip around this area. Let's get a shot down here. So there's a next over here. There's so many shops here. We're just gonna get a shot of the outside of Bluewater. So I've done 2 drone flights. Did one in Southeast London, Greenhithe, and now I'm here, Bluewater. Before that I did one in Dartford. After that I did one in Dartford. After the Greenhithe one. So I've got John Lewis here. Good thing is that where I'm standing, it's more of like an open area. I was going to do it from the rooftop, but from the rooftop we would have got baked by the sun. Maybe I should have just done that, but we're here now. We might as well just fly around while we're here. So get a shot of Bluewater. Got all the grass is all brown now. We still have that long dry spell. We've got a lot of roundabouts here. Going on towards this area. What else have we got down here? We've got one on top of the cliff, as you can see. Nice little shot here, look at that. We've got the residential part of Dartford. We've got these buses over here, fast track buses, which I saw when I came here. I was looking at the name of it and it was fast track, so. We've got a new builds over here. Looks really nice, this shot, innit? And we've got the River Thames area over there. Where's the River Thames area? Should we go towards there? Obviously we won't go towards there, but we can go closer to it and just get a shot down there. Go down this road. Something about hearing like those planes, it's kind of nostalgic, hearing something like that. So that's actually the north of the river. It's got the River Crossing. We've got, let's just get the surrounding shots of Dartford. What else have we got a shot of? We can get a shot of this area down here. It's like a little village here. Looks new builds. We've been to that area. I don't think we have. We should go down there. Let's get a nice stack shot of that area. I'm gonna go here so we can get a nice shot of it. We won't go that far actually. That's a bit far, but we'll just stay around there, and I guess that's it. We'll just get a shot down here. Looks like a nice area of the surrounding of Dartford. And after that, we're just gonna stay around there after. Let's get a shot in this area. So you can see the hills. It's actually crazy, isn't it? Get a shot down this road down here. To get a fast shot. Why not? Our drone's completely slowed down because of the wind. It's annoying though. Let's just stay still then, because we don't want to drain our battery unnecessarily. See, we've got a shot there. And wait for this gust to pass, then we're going to move the drone. Something like that. It looks like a fisheye effect, that shot. Gust is still not ending, bruv. Why is gust not ending? Seems like the sun's gone away, so let's go away from the clouds. At the same time, we need to get a sunny shot. There's like a nice little village area down here. See what's down in this area. Seems like a little park. This gust has not ended yet. Should we just leave our drone there for a little bit? Yep. Let's just bring our drone back. I mean, we're going to come back in a cloud, but whatever. We have to come here because we don't want to risk it because of this wind. We don't know how long this gust is going to last. So we just got to come back as quickly as possible so we stay local. I mean, we have enough battery, but you know, usually I'm cautious when I fly. Look at these cliff shots. See, look how strong this wind is. I don't even understand. It's not even a windy day, but then the gust is like strong. Oh, okay, the wind is bare strong, you know. Look at that, it's a nice shot here. I'm waiting for this gust to like end, but it's just not ending. It's like ruining our footage. But I guess if we move, our battery's gonna die quicker. I don't understand this gust, literally. I think it only happens when it's cloudy. We haven't got a shot of this area down there. Let's go down here quickly, get a shot of that, and then we'll just land the drone after. Nice little area down there. Let's get a closer shot of this area. Looks like there's something going on there. What we'll do is get a shot down there quickly. Let's get a shot on top of the Bluewater town centre, shopping centre I mean. In a minute though, we're going to land our drone.
Battery level is low.
Right, we're going to land a drone now.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Home point updated.
Looks like a nice shot though, isn't it here?
Low battery. Return to home promptly. Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Right, let's just land a drone now here. Right in this area, parking spot. Let's put it in sports mode quickly, then we'll just click out sports mode. We don't want to hit the ground like we did before. Let's just stand away from it. Anyway guys, that was my amazing drone flight here in Bluewater in Dartford in Kent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.